ॐ योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि।
Namaskar. I am R. Abhinaya from 2nd BNYS Care Yoga Naturopathy Medical College and Hospital. Wishing you that happy 7th International Yoga Day. As we already know that this pandemic spoils our lives and mainly affect the respiratory system and immune system. This pandemic spread globally and restrict the movement of people. In this pandemic situation, enhance the immunity and breathing capacity is only power or medicine to fight against COVID situations. Our main theme in the 7th International Yoga Day is Yoga from Home. I am here to explain about therapeutic yoga for respiratory problems. Yoga is not only practice, it is a way of living, and yoga is a technique that enhances willpower and strengthens our mind and increase positivity. Now, I am going to show some simple breathing exercises to enhance your breathing capacity of lungs. By performing these asanas or exercises, we will get relief from respiratory problems like asthma, pneumonia, allergic reactions, and bronchitis. Let us see some breathing exercises. Come to Sthiti. Hands by the sides of your body, legs together, hands stretch breathing. Extend your hands in front of your body. Interlock your fingers. Inhaling, stretch, exhaling, come back. Inhale, stretch, exhale, come back. Inhale, stretch, exhale, come back. Practice slowly. Your exhalation should be longer than inhalation. Inhale, exhale. This breathing exercise useful for slow down the breathing process, improve the filling of all lobes of lungs, and enhance the vital capacity of lungs. Inhale, stretch, exhale, come back. Practice for few rounds. Now extend your hands at forehead level. Inhale, stretch, exhale, come down. Inhale, stretch, exhale, come down. Breathe very slowly. Synchronize your hand movement with breathing. Do not distracted by external sounds. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. As you breathe in, stretch your arms above your head. As you breathe out, bring your hands back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. These three stages of breathing useful for filling up all lobes of lungs, and this is very useful for efficient uses of lungs. Inhale, stretch, exhale, come back. Practice this for few rounds. Come to Sthiti. and relax. Relax in Sthitala Tadasana. Observe the changes after performing hands stretch breathing. Concentrate on only breathing pattern and observe each and every movement of your body. Come to Sthiti. Let us practice second breathing exercise. Hands in and out breathing. Stretch your hands forward. While inhaling, expand your hands. While exhaling, come back. Inhale, expand. Exhale, come back. Inhale, expand. Exhale, come back. It is very efficient breathing exercise to improve the functioning of lungs and improve the utilization of every lobe of lungs. While you inhale, lungs got expanded. While you exhale, your lungs constrict. While you inhale, complete filling of oxygenation of lungs takes place. While you exhale, whole carbon dioxide in every lobe comes out. Relax. Come to Sthiti and relax in Sthitala Tadasana. Tie your hands back. Head in any comfortable position. Observe the changes after performing hands in and out stretch. This will increase your concentration. Let us practice supine series of asanas. Stretch your hands forward. Sit on your heels. Extend your legs one by one in front of your body. And slowly lie down with the help of elbows. Lie down on your back. This is called supine position. Let us practice breathing exercise in supine. Setu Bandhasana breathing exercise. Bend at your knees. Place your heels near to your buttocks. Hold your ankle joint with your hands. Stabilize your shoulder joint. Stabilize your mind. Do not distracted by any sound externally. Inhale. Raise your body up as much as you can. Try to touch your chin to chest. Exhale. Come down. Inhale. Rise your body up. While exhaling, come down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Come down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Expand. While inhaling, your chest muscles back muscles, thigh muscles got expanded. While exhaling, it got relaxed. While inhaling, complete filling of lungs takes place. While exhaling, carbon dioxide completely come out from the lungs. Inhale, exhale. This breathing exercise is useful for strengthening the muscles of back, spine, hip, and also chest region, which calms down the brain and central nervous system. It stimulates the lungs, thyroid, and abdominal organs, improves in digestion. Slowly stop the practice, come to sthiti, and relax in Savasana. Observe the changes after performing the asana. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Do not alter your breathing. Try to observe each and every moment in your body. Try to relax completely. Now come to sthiti. Let us practice Navasana breathing exercise. While inhaling, raise your head, neck, trunk, and legs and balance on your buttocks. While exhaling, slowly come down. Inhale, raise. Exhale, come down. Inhale, raise. Exhale, come down. Inhale, raise. Exhale, come down. This asana is useful for strengthen the muscles of back, hip, spine, and also stimulate thyroid gland, and also helps in improving the function of lungs. This asana is mainly helpful in reduction of abdominal fat. Practice is for 10 counts. Come to sthiti and relax. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands facing the sky, head in any comfortable position. Relax. Observe the changes after performing Navasana breathing stretch. Relax. Come to sthiti. Raise your left hand, bend at your right knee. Slowly turn to left side. With the help of your hands, slowly get up and sit on your heels. Sit on your heels. While inhaling, slowly extend your hands above your head, give a back stretch. While exhaling, come down and extend your legs back and lie down on abdomen. This is called prone position. Come to sthiti, hands beside the body, forehead touching the ground. Place dorsum of fruit on the ground. Let us practice Bhujangasana breathing stretch. Inhale, raise your head, neck, chest, and abdomen up to navel region. Inhale,
raise. While exhaling, slowly come back to normal position. Inhale, raise. Exhale, come back to normal position. Synchronize your movement with breathing. Try to practice for 10 counts. Inhale, up, exhale, down. This asana is useful for improve the chest muscle strength and also strengthen the spine and provide relief from many asthmatic symptoms. While inhaling, your lungs got expanded. While exhaling, your lungs got constricted. This leads to improve the functioning of lungs. Come to sthiti. Then relax in Makarasana. Observe the changes after performing the asana. Let us practice another exercise in drone, Salabhasana breathing exercise. Make a fist and put it on your under your thighs. While inhaling, raise your legs. Exhaling, come down. Inhale, raise. Exhale, come down. Synchronize your movement with breathing. Do not lift your chin from the ground. Try to touch your chin to the ground while practicing. Practice it for 10 counts and relax. Observe the changes after performing Salabhasana stretch. Come to sthiti and relax. Now come to prone to sitting position. Place your hands beside your chest. Inhaling, come up and sit on your heels. Exhaling, raise your hands above your head and sit on your heels. Let's practice Sankashana breathing exercise. Hold your right hand wrist with the help of your left hand. Inhale, bend back while exhaling, come down. Inhale, bend back, stretch your back. Exhale, come down. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, come down. This breathing exercise strengthens your thigh muscles, chest muscles, abdominal muscles, and also relieve the back pain and many asthmatic symptoms. It helpful in efficient functioning of lungs and also complete filling of lungs. While inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, come down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Observe the changes after performing Sankashana breathing. Extend your legs in front and relax. Practice this breathing exercise for 5 to 10 counts. Relax. Relax in Sthitila Dandasana. Observe the changes. Let us practice sectional breathing. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture, Padmasana, Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Hands, head, neck, back and straight. Hands in Shin Mudra. Close your eyes and relax. It contains 3 stages. Stage 1, abdominal breathing. While you inhale, abdomen bulges out. Exhale, it sinks in. Inhale, abdomen bulges out. Exhale, it sinks in. Do not alter abdominal movements. Observe the movements of abdomen. Stage 2, thoracic breathing. While you inhale, thoracic cavity bulges out. While you inhale, it comes to normal. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stage 3, clavicular breathing. While you inhale, clavicle moves up. While exhale, it becomes normal. Inhale, exhale. Observe the movement of breathing. Do not alter any movement of breathing. Observe flow of breathing in your body. While you inhale, your body got energized. While you exhale, it relaxes. Try to synchronize your breathing with every moment. Inhale, your clavicle moves up. Exhale, it comes down. Inhale, your clavicle moves up. Exhale, it became normal. Now combine stage 1, 2, and 3. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. While inhaling, your abdomen bulges out, thoracic cavity expands, and clavicle moves up. While exhaling, your abdomen sinks in, thoracic cavity constricts, and clavicle comes down. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Do not distracted by any sounds. Inhale and observe the breathing pattern. Exhale and relax. Relax. Normalize your breathing pattern. Observe the changes after performing sectional breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Do not produce any sounds during breathing. Sectional breathing is very important for people who are suffering from respiratory problems. It enhances the vital capacity of lungs, improves the filling of lungs or lobes. It also improves and calm down the mind. Let's practice Brahmari Pranayama, which is useful, very useful in this pandemic time. Plug your ears with the help of index fingers. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply while exhaling, chant Makara. Inhale, exhale, chant Makara. After the completion of 5 to 7 rounds, observe the Makara vibration throughout your body. Inhale deeply, exhale completely and relax. Observe the changes and feel the calmness of mind and observe the vibrations of Magara. This will soothe your mind, increase the memory power, concentration, and also helpful in these pandemic times. Rub your hands, put on your eyes, feel the warmth. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms.
Looking back, I clearly say that how yoga has changed my life. I never knew that yoga would become my savior. Since from childhood onwards, I am suffering from breathing problem and dust allergy. After I start practice yoga regularly, my breathing problem and dust allergy got reduced to some extent. I clearly say that by practicing the breathing exercises shown in video will improve your lung functioning and efficiency. Practicing these breathing exercises may won't show sudden drastic change, but everyone know that consistency is a key word towards success. So incorporate yoga in your lives and feel the difference yourself. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and practice yoga every day.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। शान्तिः